Welcome to Powerhouse YouTube. Today we have just received the Kymco AK550. I know you're all excited to get it open, so let's get started. So this is all the stuff that comes under the seat. You've got screws, you've got a tool bag, a whole bunch of parts that we're going to put on. This is the front cover, covers the battery. You've got these, I'm sure it's to put the mirror on. Some kind of box. You get a second key fob with the box. So the first key fob, you look, is inside of this compartment. Guess we'll figure out what this does. You get a cool box to display your second key fob. For whatever reason. And your battery, come with the UASA battery that you have to fill. Your acid. After about 5 minutes, the battery is filled. So we pull this off. I want to clean the excess acid off that's spilled. And then the cap that came on the acid tanks doubles as the cap for the battery. Okay, we've now got it all put together. I'm going to use the key fob, so it has to be near the machine. We're going to set it right here. So it looks like this has a lot of controls. So you have heated handlebars, you have your lights, you can change to different modes. You have your passing, which is your flashers or hazard, or not your hazards, it's your brights. You have your horn, your blinkers. You have park brake here, locks in place. Over here you have an adjustment for something. We can find it out in the owner's manual, and another right here. We have our start button and our hazards, and then our kill switch. Now we're going to check the oil and make sure it's all right before we start it up. So they send all of their stuff in their crates filled with oil. So we're going to check that now. Yeah, we have plenty of oil. Now we can start it. Okay, now that we've checked the oil and everything's okay, we're going to start it. So to start it, you have to turn this fob to on. All your gauges will turn on. Then you use your brake and start button. So your hand brakes are adjustable. You have 4 different adjustments depending on how close you want it to the handlebars or how far you want it. You have 2 pegs that flip out for passenger. Your mirrors are fully adjustable. And the windshield has 2 adjustments. You have to pull the whole thing apart. So it's on the lower one right now, and it has a second one that's about 1.5 inches higher. And it sticks out about 1 inch more as well. Well, that's the Kymco AK550. Really cool scooter. I'd love to have one of these. We got it in for a customer who wanted it. And we hope that you enjoyed this video.